Hey guys, welcome to my channel Preeti, wherein currently we are studying the board appeared agree disagree statements. Today's statement is from the chapter Public Finance. But before starting, I would request you guys to please watch videos and playlists uploaded on my channel and do support me guys. It's a request. Let us start today's statement. There are many sources of non-tax revenue. See, as we have studied the chapter, I hope you must be knowing that this is correct statement. This is true statement. So let us start with the answer. I repeat the statement. There are many sources of non-tax revenue. Answer solution. Yes, I agree with the given statement. Since it's true, we are writing I agree with the given statement. Then we have to write the supporting explanation for the statement. So we are writing explanation. In short, we'll write the meaning about non-tax revenue. What is non-tax revenue? Non-tax revenue is the revenue received by the government administration, public enterprises, gifts and grants, etc. This is what is non-tax revenue. Now let us see the different sources. First one, fees. See, as we have studied, all of us know that a tax is paid compulsorily without any return service. That means all of us pay the tax compulsorily, but we don't get as such in return for a particular amount of tax paid. So it's a compulsory payment to the government. Whereas a fee is paid in return for certain specific services rendered by the government. That means government is providing us certain services, and for that particular services they are charging the fees, such as education fees. Government is providing education. Then we go to register our vehicles. Then registration fees, we go to register our properties. So at that time we have to pay the registration fees to the government. So simple, tax is paid without any return service, whereas fees is paid for particular specific services rendered by the government. I hope the point is clear. Second one, second source, prices of public goods and services. See, modern days government, they are selling various types of commodities and services to the citizens. And we citizens, we pay the price for these goods and services which we use, which are offered by the government. We pay the price for the same. For example, railway fares, we have to buy the tickets of railways. Then postal charges, if we make use of the government postal services, then we have to pay the postal charges, etc. So this is a source of non-tax revenue for the government. Then moving on to the third source, fines and penalties. The government imposes fines and penalties on those who violate the laws of the country. See, the basic objective behind the imposition of these fines and penalties, it is not to earn the income. It's not the government objective that people should break the rules and government will earn from the fines and penalties. No. But these fines and penalties, they are imposed in order to discourage the citizens from violating the laws framed by the government. Government wants that the people should abide by the rules and regulations. They should follow the laws of the country, and hence the people who violate such laws, for them fines and penalties are introduced. So the main purpose behind it is not to earn income, but to discourage the citizens from violating the laws of the government. Moving on to the next source, fourth, gifts, grants and donations. The government may also earn some income in the form of gifts from the citizens and others. Moreover, the government may also receive grants from foreign governments and institutions. Now, these grants may be given for different purposes, some general purposes or some specific purposes. Even in some case, government gets foreign aid. They get funding from the foreign government for certain specific projects. But this source of revenue is very much uncertain in nature, because see, gifts, grants, it's not compulsory that people will give the donation, the countries will give the donation. No, it's not compulsory. It depends on the other country, it depends on the citizen whether to give it or not. So it's uncertain source of income for the government. Then again there are certain special levies. See, this special levies, you will just mention the point because already we have explained 4 points. So I'll just tell in short. Special levies means on the use of some harmful product, hazardous products, government want that the restricted use of it. People should not use it, and that's why government levies special tax on such product. That is called special levies. Moreover, government also gets revenue from the borrowings. In case of emergency, if the funds are still short, then in that case, government may resort to borrowings in order to fulfill the fund requirements. So these were the non-tax revenue sources of the government. So that's it for today. I'll just revise in short. We are studying agree-disagree statement. This statement was appeared in the board exam 2024. The statement is there are many sources of non-tax revenue. Our solution, yes, I agree with the given statement. Then we have explained, we have mentioned the sources. First one, fees. Second, prices of public goods and services. Third, fines and penalties. Fourth, gifts, grants and donations. Fifth, special levies. And sixth, borrowings. So that's it for today. With this, I end my lecture. If you find it useful, then make sure to like, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.